Be to the most I give thanks to life, one down to the ground. You see my eyes them tired, you know. They are try fight to survive. You know where you go, stay alive. So you have to be a warrior. You know what I mean? So if for the first time watch your channel there, please do subscribe. And remember that to subscribe is free. Yeah. And you know say next month March I'm Earth Strong in the 20th. Yeah man. So come party with me. Anyway, watch a movie. We'll talk about that in the end. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Well, I just life though. Turn the light on. As your queen, your life gone. Me see what them up to. Them too stuck to. See what them been drinking. And I hear what them been thinking. One king, one king, one king, one king, one king, one king, one king. One king, one king, one king, one king, one thing. Then I know them I play with. Then I owe. But we change. But we change. Nothing new to me. You can never get used to me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. You push me to my destiny. I see you from a mile though. Me read all your style though. This world is ever changing. But I'm gonna change too.
I'm gonna look you up. Work hard, look at them at time. I need one job. What about job like where? Cause you just apply to your hooker. Like a £1 pound.
There's something there I talk about Rasta. Rasta do them something there, man.
Me don't know. If you do them, me not see at night time what you do. Me say night daylight and now you just up like say you go farm pole at night time go on, you know.
No, nothing like that, man. Rasta make our money.
What you mean you say that it's some pork or there some that?
Bonfire upon that, man.
Oh, I hear me ask, you know? Oh, I hear me the ask.
No, they're good on though.
Come back here,
My niece, come here, I want to talk to you.
Auntie.
My name, what baby?
Yeah, go ahead.
Right, come and talk to you. Let's go talk to you, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. I want to talk to you. Come here. Let's go talk to you, yeah? Yeah. Alright, baby.
I can't talk so far, man.
Niece, I know everything you want to say to you, I want everybody to hear.
So, where you go?
Right out of this one.
Jesus.
You want to make it happen? You can't manage it.
That's a good answer, no?
Come. Right here, sir. Alright. You need to know some love you. But, remember the other day when I talked to you, say, I soon buy my ticket and I fly out?
Yes.
I already buy my ticket. I buy it from yesterday. But I never want to tell you no. I did want to surprise you, especially you. You know I love you.
Yes.
Bad. And anything you ask for, I always give to you. So I'll tell you something. I don't say I won't tell nobody else say I go in. But you see, them a time, yeah? In a these time, you have to be careful when you buy a ticket and fly out from your country to another country. Because they have real wicked people. A matter of fact, I chew you and my niece. Family or no family, we're not supposed to tell nobody, you know. Because some people corrupt, you know.
You know me now
But
do nothing
you
about
and my
money.
niece and I love you and I know. Expect for you to say to nobody.
No, sir, me not do that.
I go tell you. Which me tell you already. Buy me ticket yesterday. I'll fly out next week.
Next week?
Yes. And I don't want you to tell nobody.
No, tell nobody, man.
The way people them grudgeful and bad mind and have some
So,
devious heart
where
in
you
them.
go over there go do?
Eh? You go work.
Kind of work.
I don't really want to talk like it. I need to go first, settle down, and get the job. And as soon as I get it, I know everything alright, I call you and tell you. Because I know everything good for you, good for talk, you have to understand that. You understand me? But don't worry yourself. Anything we want, just call me. You see the same Jamaican number where you have for me? I go have it on WhatsApp anyway. But you know when I go over there, you know, I feel hype. I go buy one of them SIM cards, so I have a longer digit in the number. So I go give me new number. As soon as I settle down, everything start out and whatever, you will know. You understand? But anything we want, call me send it for you.
I know that already, Auntie.
Right, as usual, I always help you out anyway. You know, so I love you.
You never say you're going to try to work out here and see if you can buy a salon and build a house.
Don't worry yourself about that, man. Yes, of course, I'm going to do it. But you know, as I tell you before, as soon as I start out myself and something, I'll start sending money come you pertaining to land, house, everything.
I make me Billy.
You and my brother? I'm going to make do that. Yes.
Uncle don't really like me still, you know.
Don't worry yourself about it.
But it's good.
If I nothing, you know, me we hide and squeeze and send a little money differently for you, different from the money we put. But me not ready to talk about that yet. You know, me have to go work some serious money. Hey, look here, my niece. House is expensive to build, you know. So you see material money, you know, say it turn up. Plus the workman money. And me have my brother figure money and you see. You don't worry yourself. Come on. I just that I want to talk to you about.
My girl face still, you know.
Yes, thank you. Looking good differently, man. I just that want to talk to you about.
Let's switch us like them and hide something.
That's how things set, man. When you go tell her, I say, you know why you hear that, man? That's me and our business. Me, you don't talk about that.
Yes, I tell me, I tell her. Remember me a bit all on.
I know.
And she just there, so tell me how me look at a hookah.
Eh?
Eh? That's her.
Wait, I don't want to go into that right now. Come here, my baby, let me talk to you.
Yes.
Come down here, son. No, but I'll go back up the same. Alright, so come and talk to you. Right here. Come and talk to you. Anyway. You know, me always take care of you, not so?
Yeah.
And you know, me love you like my own daughter.
Yeah, I love you too.
Yes. I know about your mother thing and father and whatever. You don't have no mother and no father. And you know, say, you don't have to worry yourself about that. Because it's not only you alone that have no mother and no father. You know me, I got to take care of you as usual. So, I call if you tell us, say, I go overseas.
Overseas?
Yes.
Me I come?
No, I can't talk about that part yet. Because remember, I just go now. You know, first I go go. But anyway, I don't want you to worry yourself. I want you to behave yourself, you know, and have manners to people.
I'll behave myself.
You're not go hungry. You still going to take care of you. Same as how me used to do it before. I know, say, I adopt you as my daughter. Me your godmother, me your everything. You understand? So, me are your real mother then. To all me want to take care of you more and you see me as your real mother.
I am real mother.
And guess what? I don't want you no fighting.
No, I'm not fight. I don't want to no trouble.
Please, me beg you. I'm not disrespecting nobody. Tell your friend, say, you see, the same girl, let me tell her, if you talk, listen, I talk to you now, make sure we put it on silent. When you're done, you can call her back.
Yeah.
That girl there, me not like how she dey call you out of the yard and they take you, they bring you up on road.
No, so she want me and I to go and come back.
No. Anywhere they go and come back, you have to tell me first before you leave. Remember, say you're a girl child and I don't want nothing bad happen to you. You know, say I love you. I always take care. Where you look up the sofa?
I think she come to come fast. You me tell her. You want me reach already, girl. Girl, me can't bother come, girl. Me reach. Are you here?
Hang up the phone now because...
Me reach, are you here?
Yes, you reach. Tell her say you reach.
You.
Yeah. Anyway, you can call her back when time.
Yeah.
Listen, when you take care of yourself, I'm not ready to go yet, you know. I'm going to tell her now, say, buy the ticket and next week me go.
Okay. So I don't call her already go tell her?
No, you don't have to know when you go tell she said. She
so
not
to tell she?
No, not tell her when I talk to you about me. I go send money for you. I know you don't have no ID nor nothing here, but I know who to send it to and you go collect it from them, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm happy for you.
Yes, and you know, say I love you as my daughter already. So if you take care of yourself, you know, you're going to still see me during the week, man, because we are next week, me and going back, but I just want you to know. I don't tell nobody, you know?
No, I'm not telling
Please,
nobody.
you don't tell nobody, because the people are too wicked. Alright, my dear. Alright, talk to you later. You there? Alright.
she probably and tell her.
But she'll give me ice cream.
Oh, she said she'll buy me some cheesecake.
Oh. When I go for my business then, you're lucky boy I get cheesecake.
You're lucky. See that?
Girl, come here. I'm so glad we are kissing sister. So we are coming. Come and see me a big news to tell you.
Can I news that?
Guess who I got for him?
They can't just tell me, you know why.
I think Candy.
Candy I go for him.
Yes, mama they go on the big bird.
A liar, you know.
She just tell me up is a don't tell her, see anything like that. She just tell me up the road that she got for him.
Alright, then.
She go fight for the
Alright,
jet.
alright.
So where you go?
Don't worry yourself.
We just see something me just gone so.
You so come back. No.
Me not turn up your son way for you, me go about my business.
No, because you just come to me and go chat about the ESA me and go foreign and you want me to tell you with a me and go.
You say you go on a big plane. You know what I want you to for me? So you go for me.
Me tell us me and go now, girl. Where get that story from?
The same somebody you tell. The same somebody you tell. And then somebody they not tell no lie. So why you do that for me?
I know what you're talking about, you know. I know what you're talking about.
You well I know.
That we do know. You see, you know.
I told you don't want to do something for me, you know. Me know, man. You can't just simple tell me say you don't want to do it.
No one do it. What you just say?
You don't want to carry over the drugs to me. And that you don't want to do.
Whether me a go foreign or not, and me not tell you say me they go, me not tell you say me not go or whatever. Me just want to know people listen to me now. So, whether me a go foreign or not for real, you don't really take your dry eye them. Come to me and they tell me say me if you get drugs go foreign for you, what could have cost this Jesus? Girl, you know say you don't like me? A prisoner you want me. You don't like me.
Me and you know
so you want spoil my reputation.
Somebody you tell this morning, tell me back say you are going foreign.
You want spoil my reputation, you want spoil my character and then me have be bad things are going on. In a government
when you
system.
say you not do it?
Be bad things are going on in the government system for me name. I don't care no jokes in nobody. If you say me an idiot,
No
I don't care much money they give me. If me they go or me not go carry. And no matter of fact, me not go nowhere, so me don't know what you're talking about. As I tell you before, even if me they go, me not carry no jokes to nobody. When you go to embassy, go get visa. And pay your jokes yourself. Make them put bad things in
alright,
nice.
look for me. Alright, you say you not carry, it's alright. Never gonna do it.
Girl, let me come here.
Yes, right, anyway.
Look here. You are one of them. Where girl people drugs in a some little pocket sitting and they send them with the police hold and find them. They all have no bad mind and corrupt no. Prison you want me go girl?
So you say not carry, so you make it go.
But you make somebody come and tell us me a go a foreign. Oh, who dare you if you come ask me that question about if me can carry drugs go foreign? You damn bright. Hey girl, you better go embassy to get visa and carry yourself and the police lock you up. That means say they have everything bad boy you in their system. Hey girl, you know so now cross this door. Nobody know if you make you know them business, you know. Cause see it there. Bad luck you want for my name. Hey little dirty girl, you know say although men they go a stab me now, but I know me go back around here. Kayla.
Yeah?
What do you want?
You want the memo? How about the memo?
What me tell us say? When? Not even 1 hour ago, me tell you me buy one ticket and me go fly out. And me tell you not tell nobody. And you make this big old idiot girl see me on road, you know. I come tell me say she here say me they go and she give me jokes to carry over. Kayla, what me can tell the girl say me I go?
But I know me.
And this crosses girl, and not even nothing good she give me to carry over. Jokes to put me in a problem. That for sure say them people here, they know I don't love the people and they hard.
But mama.
Not straight to prison me I go.
Mama, me I tell her say it's not me.
I hope.
You should say me alone, you tell. I know me not see her.
Let me tell you something now. 2 person no say me buy a ticket and me off fly out.
check the other person, why me have to come to first? Me will never date after me go over there and make it.
We done make one phone call already and call the next person and then take off God if I cross you and them. So me know say you.
I know me. People will take like cross you know them and them. I mean not so wicked.
Kayla, me can't tell me lie.
But I know me, mama.
I know me.
No.
I know me, mama. I know me, I hope.
Me not know.
And me tell the same girl will come to me myself and they act like
who come to me, don't even know who come to me say me tell the person.
You know, I'm not going to continue this conversation with you, but anyway, it's not everything would be good to talk, which I did tell you before. So, and every time people say something to you, you must go repeat it back to somebody. You will be getting a problem.
But me I tell you, man, adore me.
Them are people that nowadays, they're wicked and cruel and heartless. They don't go on here, say you left from your country and go on next country. Here where she carry come to me. She and the devil are work, you know. That girl and Satan are work together. She not even ask me if me can carry. Yeah?
I will sit on your husband.
She not ask me if me can carry something better, go be some family or whatever, you know, drugs. To send me go to prison.
But they have money for me.
And left my youth them out like me an idiot. Then she pass them a road hungry and act like I say she not acknowledge say my youth them and she make me go to prison. Me not so fool. Me not stupid. One time me I did idiot, now me have sense. Nobody can trick me again.
And that's why if you make them trick you and say me, you're stupid.
No man, nobody, no, don't call me stupid enough because you know say I lie they say
I know me.
that's stupid tongue the way they
God.
Don't call God name.
But I don't me, mama, me to say I don't
And
me,
you really
mama.
ever call God in a something you know say you're guilty of?
But I know me.
God will twist your tongue in a tappy. You better go pray and ask God to forgive you for the tell
You
lie and
have to
call God
ask
name.
God to forgive me because I know it's not me tell her. It's not me tell
Alright,
her.
you say I know you.
Adore me.
You say I know you make it stay right there, so but one good thing me I tell you say, not everything good to eat, good to talk.
I know me.
It's alright. You say I know you.
I know God adore me.
Adore you.
Adore me. You don't talk. Every time somebody see I ready tell you, oh, your road can't jump down my throat.
Me cannot hold in your throat. You know what can hold in your throat.
Mama,
Me and them the things say I know the same size. You understand?
Stop.
So you know what can hold in that throat. Everything good man. No respect to nobody.
I think people tell her, I said that girl too. Me and that girl.
I'm gonna change too. I'm gonna do what the wicked men do. I'm gonna change too. I'm gonna change too. You don't know me. You don't know my story though.
I don't think you'd have gone by now for when you tell me say I fly out.
My youth, me I try make up some money. And me can't just have ticket money alone. Me go and care of little stuff. Because I know so when you go over them the place there, you can't rely on nobody for too long, you know. You can't rely on them too long. So I want to care of little something for we can go and use, you know.
Yeah.
And have and want little change. You buy some US. You can start save some money still, you know. I want if you buy some US.
Well,
I have to care about some money with me. Because I can't go over this so broke for nobody's style me, you know.
but one of the things though, yeah, I go for look money, so you don't really focus on that, man. But if you want things to carry up, I mean, you know, thing down from my farm there, you know, me try to get some way, because one way I can carry go.
Look at me now, I can't nothing for nobody, you know. I can things to myself.
Yeah, but one way you don't carry, I can like roast breadfruit.
Me want roast breadfruit and fried fish and then something.
Well,
And
you know, but you want the fish them from around at the river?
No man, I don't like river fish, man. Straight from sea fish come from. I don't like river fish there. I don't like fresh water, I want the sea fish.
Oh.
One them will come in, just come in, the boatman them just come in, want some of them nice dinner fish there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, so me deal with the roast breadfruit, because I have 2 breadfruit tree on the way.
Okay.
Breadfruit the pan here, right, you know, so.
Pepper here and put on your vinegar and them sit there on your honey
Yeah, man,
and nice.
escalates.
Yes man.
Yeah, man, do it, man, because it makes sense. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I know you can do it, man.
Yeah, man, now go over there go farm food, boy, you know.
No, so you're mad, man.
You go over there, save your money. Right?
Me I do.
I remember say foreign and a bed of rose.
True.
Cause I should know I've been there before, I know the ropes.
Yeah.
And give back to who you can give back, but do not when they say give your backside and shit through your ribs. Now do that. Ensure say you put on something for yourself.
That me I do.
Because remember Susie go over there and he mind everybody out here. And when he fall in and come back a yard, everybody turn against him. You understand?
Yeah, that I go on now still.
Yes, so be wisely. You know what I mean? Now what you do. Without you know right now, nothing on to go on, you know. The whole island sell out. You know what I mean? And nothing there for we as Jamaicans still. We try this singing, you know, to work out. You know what I mean? So now, me hear say, it man work the money the pan. So now, me have a new plan. We have scammer in all different farm. Me want to be a hitman scammer. You understand the concept? Put up myself like me a hitman, and if you give me a contract to kill somebody, I do not kill them, but I take the money. And go and link them and say, yo, then when you're dead, you know, run away. I give me a picture like you're dead. That means that I can collect the money and give you money out there to go live a good life.
Me a friend long time. Me a friend for a long time. I don't agree with that one. I don't know go kill this man. You will take people money and you been there look and see you no kill that this man. They didn't come on a live.
I know, so me I do it, man. Remember what I'm saying, remember if somebody want to get you dead, you know, and they hire the real man, then you know, yeah, dead. Yeah, but when they hire me I save life.
Yeah, me understand.
So me go be like a police, me a serve and protect. No, so me a service, but listen no. Oh, somebody want you gone. That's what me have to look at the logic of it. Somebody don't want to see you again, they want you gone. Right? A husband want to kill his wife. A wife want to kill his husband. Them pay me. Me link each any one of them and say, yo, that the one they want you dead, you know. But what I want you do now, I want you do me a favor, come here, do you a favor. I can kill and collect the money, but I'm not into that. I'm into making you know that they want you dead. I don't want you go back and kill them. I want you just take away yourself. You know you know dance, take away yourself a long time dance. Take away yourself, but you want to know me go save life.
Yeah, but this I cannot save life, you know, and end up disappear off earth, you know.
Listen, you know if you do nothing to disappear. Bad mind in the hell. Alright, you're here,
but take people money.
Listen.
And you know, but I kill this somebody, me not say if you kill
them. But
them
disappear.
But that somebody they
No,
know.
me not make you see this somebody again. Mama, this somebody disappear.
But them go on different country or something?
Yes, more try to get them on different.
Okay, so you can't say then disappear then.
So me go charge expensive.
Oh, come here, your friend, and I don't want you make nobody do nothing to you.
No. Me know my client base, me know what me go do. Me know say I right way, more do it. Yeah. So you want somebody disappear, then disappear, and it appear in different place, then go no good. Okay. You don't see the person again, the person see you again.
Yeah, right.
So because when I want to charge, I want a piece of money, I don't charge them now and to more money, you know. A real money, me say you want the job done properly, you pay the right price. So I ensure them get the money to give the person who they want unalive. So them can go away and not come back. Because them could have dead at this point in time, or convince them to look, you could have dead, they get a second chance alive, go and do something different. Whatever you do, they want to kill you, not do it again to nobody. Because next time you won't be a person like me. You understand? So that's my concept. You don't know.
Anyway, you know.
No, because I say I have to do something, you know.
Yeah, go next.
No, yeah, but you know, safe life. I'm going to get the bird food and if you're over there and you feel like you have a little money where you catch your hand, you can call me and send me a money still because I'm not the part of you know with the player. Yeah man, with the power foot and I go and
work. You're a real friend, you know,
yeah man. Because I have a license. But check a youth say, I'm going to run some taxi. As I drive out, the police them pull me over and give me about 5 tickets. I left the car same place in the road and so I'm going to take it then. Because I don't know what I make it then. I left the car and say, yo, bossy, go pick up a car down there, so because you see them police, yeah, the ticket them give me, I don't understand the ticket them. You understand? So I just say, alright, make it turn so. You understand? Make it turn so.
Well, we have to do something to survive, you know.
So I make them bed and I kick back, so you know, and I say, fire. What are you going to do to survive in Jamaica? Because you as an old deportee, you know your name kind of Spanish. You know what I mean? So I just build back and the thought come to me. But I don't start do it yet. But me make you know if you turn up because you know, I have a virgin, you know. Son Obia man, you know. Overnight, you know. A beard are fighting, you don't know about Obia?
You don't like them kind of things?
No,
I don't like them people then.
No, listen up. I tell us that the virgin don't know nothing about it. You understand? But you trick people them and collect their money. You understand? Give them all sort of shit to drink. Make them do all sort of mad and evil. But you know, make them nothing bad. I tell them some story. But only one thing in Jamaica though, I tell them, separation is real.
You real for sure.
So you not have to do no bad nothing for them suffer. Then go suffer because the system set for you suffer. So one go things you then get science. Then science plan work because they neighbors suffer. And of them make neighbors suffer. And the system make them suffer. You understand? So you have to use your brain. Anyway, me I go on a farm because me I work and some people at tea.
So you still have to go with them?
No, you know, say, one dog. Me am three, I'm go with them.
Alright.
And when we see
So why owner?
we see owner for the dog, he must say feeling. Dog no name goat. Yeah. So I say alright to make peace reign because today I sell out the rest of them. You understand? Some people don't pay me, I just give them and trust them out and hope the money come in. You know, some people hard paying, they make it bad for we. Because me as a man, I'm not hard paying, you know. Like the Lannisters, I pay my debt. Alright, anyway.
Remember I bread food
Yeah,
and
man,
the
you
something. Start looking at you for them
Yeah,
right
man.
now, you know.
Next week when you want them.
Come on then drain. Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah, so
Alright, so I
get
try to
them.
get them for you for Monday.
I'm then drain
Drain
take and
and
roast.
clean.
And
Alright.
scrape them and so. Look come on
Push
here.
me there, man. I push me there.
Alright, look
So
come
me
on.
can make me roast them over there.
Alright, cool.
Alright.
How far you there? You me a wait for you now, bro? You come here go somewhere. Remember say I'm busy whole time this week, you know. I don't tell us I'm fly out already. Alright. Oh, yeah, that's alright. Oh, alright, come. Yeah.
I say alright round the corner, me them in the far.
That me notice. Come here, I wonder why me can take so long.
Oh, man, sister.
There, man. Alright.
Yeah,
Look
man.
yourself. Alright, cool, so. Here now. You know what I say? When me have whole heap of plans, we not even know which part to start from, but guess what now, my brother? You know, you are my favorite, you know, out of all of my family, them, you know.
Of course.
So yes, when me left out of place and settle down on everything, because somebody done start out work and everything for me, you know. So you see, as me settle in and set myself and start save up some money, I do me I go send the money them come be. I want a piece of land and I want a nice house on it. So I do me I go make do everything for me.
Sis, I know I'm proud of you, but too, if you know say you're going and you have all of them the things in a consideration and I go and remember nobody you come and you do it right same way. So that means if you come back, you have a roof over your head. I love that same way. You know your brother go always there for you because from we younger, you always there for you. I 2 weeks. I'm like, you not left me out, sis.
Anyway, I did done talk to my niece about it already still, you know, so I send her some money towards pertaining to the house. You understand, on the land, so if I nothing, but you know you in charge.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Most of the money I do definitely me I send it to, but now and again me send money pertaining to the house and the land. So.
Yeah, because watch my sister, like how you do that too, because you know, say, if all heap of money forward to my account, they will probably pay me.
Yeah.
So I like how you share some, so share some.
True.
Come down and block me, you know.
True. But guess what no. I'm a niece, you know, I love her, you know. I'm always there things, but you know she stay already. She want to take over, but are you in charge? I'm my brother, she am my niece. I love her, me give her anything as usual. But don't make she take over everything from you. Are you in control of it? Because when they come back, I see one nice house, one nice piece of solid land. You understand?
Of course.
Alright, my brother, so bless up
The only hope she don't feel no way still her, because she know say me are your favorite, so
Me
only hope
didn't
she
tell
don't
her
feel no
about
way
you,
about that.
you know. I never tell her about you, say you go in charge. I tell her, say, me send some money, come give her to help deal with the house, say me too, but you are going in charge, and you if you know, say, you in charge, so nobody make she take over everything. You understand? But me just tell her about it, so me want she help you when you're not available to do certain
Yeah,
things.
man, but you know me available for you.
But are you definitely responsible for it? You understand? So me I'll send to MoneyGram or Western Union. Any one of them where you can collect to, you just tell me. So as soon as me go over, I'll get a new number, but continue text for the same Jamaica number. You can hit me or you still on WhatsApp.
Alright,
There?
sis,
Alright, look come on.
yeah, man, I'll go back on the block, you hear?
Alright, cool.
Alright.
Yeah.
Sama want money now, they are fine too long. Hello? Mama?
Hello?
Good morning.
What going on, baby? You
Yeah, I'm alright.
What going on?
Me there.
Hope everything alright with you. Money when I sent come give you last week, you not done it.
Mama, you don't know what happened, Mama.
Want you?
Somebody broke in our house and thief the money.
How?
Me no know. Me just say me left the money over yard and go pan then me come back. Me see the window everywhere open, all the door.
I lie. So somebody breaking our place?
Yes.
Alright, don't worry about that. So you have something to eat though.
No, me don't eat right now. White scholar take me down here.
So alright, that way mommy knows that somebody coming in our house and something.
Yeah, me I check up on you see if you're alright. So good.
You're good man.
How work?
Yeah, alright. Anyway, I send some money come here.
Alright.
Yeah, alright. So look out for the notification come up on your phone later.
Yeah.
Yes, alright, cool.
Why? Hey auntie.
Hi, hello, how are you?
Me there, what going you good?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you guys in Jamaica?
No say we are Wally. Me and Wally as cause remember say uncle passed away, you know.
Yes, I know.
And me I guess you understand say police didn't there tell me say maybe somebody kill him, maybe I don't know accident.
It is so sad.
Yes,
Oh my
yes. So what me there say now is you not have to send him, you can't like how you did and so off. You can't send him half a money you give me, you have to just send him all that money can't give me now.
Okay, no problem. I will send it to you. I already have your information.
Yes.
So, how is everything differently? Are you okay? And
Yeah, man.
Family?
Everything good, man. Everybody good. You want to see your house, auntie house look good, you know, man.
Really?
Me say auntie when entire come out, man. You come from our mansion, you come see, you know. Mansion.
Oh my God, I can't wait to see that.
Me say, you look good, man.
Okay, I'm working now.
Are you working?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why me there here, baby.
Yes, I'm taking care of kids. I told you that from a long time ago.
Yeah, me know that, man.
Yeah. Anyway, as soon as I get the chance, I'll send you the money later.
Later?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. Bye.
Somebody look big. My belly look too big. No, man. Please, I don't like it. I can change it. How shall I change it? All the edges and wash out. Yeah, the tic-tac, mama. Tic-tac.
Which tic-tac dancer?
So you go so.
Oh, the one there?
Yeah, that one there.
Oh, no for that. I'm not the combo. Take combo. So don't let me chat to you.
Girl.
Come here, so you chat over under this one.
And you want to sit down and you want to sit down.
You know what me tell you? Girl, you know so me have one friend. They say want to repay you for sex.
No, thank you.
You mean no thank you?
No.
Girl, I'm money and look need to go look money.
Why you never sleep with him?
Are you a man say want?
Well, me sorry. You know what?
Girl,
Not
I'm
all.
only for money, one broke. Only for money that's 50,000.
He look like me. I dead for hungry. Me
50,
have my
yeah.
auntie who send me money.
Let me see. One of them there and this will stop sending money.
My auntie now stop send me money. I feel me mad at that dish. She now stop send me money.
Girl,
Sorry.
listen to me. 50,000 for your boss.
You see my auntie? My auntie, and I really my auntie, you know, is my godmother. But I'm my auntie, my mother, my sister, my friend, everything in one.
Girl, I'm growing, you know. And you need your own money.
She has sent me
That
money.
depends on people, girl. The man One broke 50,000.
Why you never,
One night.
Why you not gonna do the one broke and get the 50,000? Because like you want the money more than me.
The man no like fat people or slim people. The man like 50,000 for a broke a night.
Me no want to do that. Me fat. Tell him say me fat.
Alright. No
Me no want to do that. Sorry.
You go foreign and want to take care of some jokes in me.
I
Nobody
want
tell
to
me say you not do that. You know, me want you care of some jokes in me and sell it.
Me no
Make
do
some
that.
money for me and you.
Me no do that. Me no depend that. Me no depend that. I no do none of what you tell me to do. Like me a dead for hungry. It look like me a dead for hungry.
Girl, me
It
never.
look like me a suffer. Look
Me
for me
come on,
good. Me a suffer.
Girl, me never say you're dead for hungry. Just be right now, man.
No, me sorry. Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard.
So that's how we live now.
That's how we all live now. You're too out of order. What
That's how we live now.
Why you never do all them something there? Eh? Yeah, sell drugs and
Me
you
come,
know and you're for it.
alright, me come back and check it later.
Don't go and check me
And
later.
tell about it again. Come like something wrong with your ears.
Something
Me come
wrong
back
with your
and
ears
check
and your
it.
left
Later.
side. More drugs. Let me if you hungry. Come interrupt me in the morning and make me TikTok. Look at this man. Let me if you hungry.
Hello?
Hello.
Mama auntie.
Hi, my niecey baby. How are you?
Me there, you know.
How is everything?
Everything alright, man.
You watching the news in Jamaica about the deportees?
Deportees.
Yes, they're deporting people from over here to back to Jamaica.
Oh. You know, me never really watch news, but me dey hear somebody there talk about it when me done the road the other day.
Yeah, so maybe I'm on that list. Remember, I'm not straight.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you come back to Jamaica?
Yes, they already sent on some of my friends. Yeah, I'm just kind of hiding out now, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. So I have to work and hide. Can't show up my face again anymore. You know what I mean?
How they do if them a deport you, man, you call me and tell me I win?
Okay, no problem.
What me dey really call if it ask us say now, you was almost done about the tile, the man we a tile the floor. You hear me?
I'm hearing you.
The man we a tile the floor, he might charge the extra money cause he say he know say I say place big. So me dey call if you send one little extra money come fin tile the floor.
No problem. I can send it in the morning.
Yeah, alright. May I text you how much?
Okay, no problem.
Alright.
Mama,
Yeah, what going?
there you good?
Alright, man.
Oh. So you had one now?
You know, say something I sort out because I want kind of little difficulties and now I try to sort out something, you know?
Oh. I want a piece of money, me I beg you.
Eh?
A piece of money, me I beg you.
You want money, you know?
Yeah.
You know, say me have one little money, but I hit me I sort out the thing when me did tell us say me I sort out with. But as soon as me get the chance and done sort out this, me will send a money come give. But me can't send it right now. Me can't go send it right now. You know me always send money come give. But me just can't do it at this moment.
You sure?
Me can't do it right now, but me still go send it come give. Remember me always send money come give, you know?
Ah.
Me just send it come give here, but not now.
Mm-hmm.
Me go send it, man. Alright, look come on.
But we are deal with so we could have deal with I had foreign in a big place. And I want to say, I know money. Alright. Father God, I want something deeper. When you dip him at in deeper deep. Like she land for her face. But she not no money. What mean she not no money and she deal with something right now? Father God, may I beg you please, Father God, as I come to you this morning. Make something deep, auntie, make him deep, mama, make him deep, mama, deep. Amen. Boy, you not no money. Wait for me, you not no money. Can't bother if you come back to your yard, man.
One, you know. I never know say you're serious, you know.
Serious thing.
But you're serious. So tell me exactly what I want. Cause you say you give me a job. I will tell about me not know who give me the number though. Right? But anyway, tell me what I want.
You analyze somebody for me. That's what me have to give.
But what them do you know? You know, so I'm not supposed to ask questions, but my time I like to know what really I want. I want to know.
Alright. Me that talk to one rich man, you know.
Yeah.
And see a kind boy I run him out, maybe lose me link.
You lose your rich man.
Whole heap of money the man they give me, you know.
So how much money you go pay now? Cause analyzing is not when go come back. You know I'm broke in foot. You know what I mean?
No man, want him dead, disappear. Any amount of money you want me pay.
Alright, for a thing like that. You did dead rich man. You must have a look of money put on. Give me $500,000.
No problem. Anything. Just want him disappear completely.
Alright, so how would I get the payment though?
Me can link you back, man. Same place.
No, here what? I like to know so I get the money. So when you're serious, you go and check I go there and stay money.
So you say you want the money first?
Just call me.
Why me not pay half of the money and then when the job done, me get the rest of the money? That doesn't sound good.
You want me to do half of the work?
No.
Or you want me to do the full work?
I want to do everything.
Alright.
I want you clean him out.
So if a serious about you have the money, where you have the money? You have money nowhere near?
Me have the money near.
You want to go and for the money and come and deal with fun tonight.
Alright then.
Because I'm kind of busy.
Alright, don't move in on me. I come back right now.
Ah, yeah, go fit and go. Yeah, me soon come back a car, man. Me soon come back a car come here, is it? Yeah, man, I want to look at cat me come check on the road, man. So everything alright, alright? Alright. I think nobody will come back, you know, because I'm just about to leave. Yeah, I sweat though like I run, you run, go far.
You have to walk fast, man, come on to go in. Whole like that.
Whole like that, so?
Whole like it.
Alright, so consider it done, man.
By when? I want to hear some good news.
Yeah, man, so you ain't show me one picture already?
Yes.
Are the same person?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so what I'm going to do, I go get the job done, can give me information, they give me address and everything already.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to get the job done, and then I'm going to take the picture. Because how I work, you know, I make things disappear. You now go see it on news because if somebody go disappear. You understand?
Anything you say.
But I'll send a picture of a confirm if you know so you get your money worth.
Alright. No
Alright?
problem.
Alright.
Alright.
Uncle Bill! Uncle Bill!
How that?
Uncle Bill!
The Uncle Bill are there, you know.
Uncle Bill. Done. Don't try nothing, you know.
I want to go on that stuff.
Yeah, what go on, you know. We get a job. Sit down. I get a job. Look like I get some people on the wrong side. So then give me a job. It's done, you. Right? I'm born, you. But anyway, are you lucky night? You're luckiest man alive. You go on now. A female give me a job. So me go want you disappear. Right? Here what I do different now. Instead of I analyze you, I make you disappear. Right?
Yeah.
So I go give you 400,000. That's a good piece of money. For you disappear. Maybe 1, 2 year, 1, 3 year. Find down ya. Because somebody want you dead. He say if I want me, I want somebody else, we just come and just kill them. But me not like killing thing. Me not like analyze thing. Me not want people live. But me want the money for myself. So this is my job. So either way, you have to disappear. So you have to decide. Me have to go analyze you, or you go take the money and leave.
Take your money and go on, man. I take your money and go on.
Don't work you now. I have to go use one of them rock cap. Put you on the neck like a stranger, right? And then take 2 pictures send to the client. You know what I mean? And then we give the money, and then you just disappear, that means say she not go hire somebody else. Cause if she hire somebody, she gonna hire somebody to kill her too. Because I take fair money now. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Alright, so do the right thing. Put this on the neck and act like you don't go like you're dead. Let me take 2 pictures and send go to the yard. Tie. And lay down flat like you're dead. Alright. We can send a picture of the yard. I don't know where you do that girl and say in farm pine, but I'm going to respond soon. I want to do because for the business is that. My business is make some money. Wait, let me just see the camera plan. So you see it. Alright. Can't ball out. You're good now. Alright, so. Alright. So see money here. Hear me I say now. Ensure say they disappear. Because I learn say the place are not fair rent to rent it. So everything that's so you not have to think about it. Take over your necessary things them disappear. 2 year time I come back in a place if you want. I can start life on a different place. Because you could have dead tonight. Take it as a warning. You could have dead right now. You know what I mean? So you get a second chance with the money.
Alright, pick up yourself.
What is? Hello?
Hey, baby girl, how are you?
I'm okay, I'm just here.
Okay. You know, I have a sad story to tell you.
Kind of story now.
Yeah, I have a friend.
Mm-hmm.
That I know a long time, about 20 years ago.
Okay.
And all the time during the 20 years,
Mm-hmm.
I always send her money. Anything she asked me for,
Mm-hmm.
I always gave it to her. And she asked me for some money the other day, and I told her that I'm gonna sort out something,
Mm-hmm.
but I can't do it right now. But I'm still gonna do it, but not now.
Okay.
I don't know if she thought that I was telling her a lie or something,
Mm-hmm.
but something went wrong in her mind. She didn't believe that I was gonna send it to her, or maybe she couldn't wait until I sent it to her. She just catch bad mind on me and like start messaging people and telling people that because she heard about the deportees, you know the deportation, what I mean, deportation, as I mean,
Deportee. Yeah.
Okay, so you heard about the people them that they deporting back to Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So this girl now, I don't know what kind of jealousy she have in her mind about me or against me. She texting people and telling them that she wouldn't mind ICE catch me and send me down. She wants me to get deported back to Jamaica because I told her that I have something to do with the money. But as soon as I get the chance, I'll send her some money. But she couldn't wait.
Okay.
Yes, I think she's so ungrateful because she's my friend for 20 years. And all the time, as I told you before, I've been giving her stuff. I've been sending her money anytime she wants or she need.
Mm-hmm.
And I cannot believe that this girl talking about she want ICE to catch me and deport me back to Jamaica. And I'm saying that she's my friend. We are friends, best friends. But
Okay.
it's just life. I just can't believe that she a fault the person that I take for my best friend.
Uh-huh.
She really hope and praying for ICE to catch me. No, they catch me.
They get you?
Yes, they catch me. So she must be happy now because they catch me.
Oh, so
So
you
I'm
just...
gonna get deported back to Jamaica.
But when them a deport you?
They're saying 2 days time.
2 days time.
Yes. So check from now until 2 days time.
Okay.
I'm gonna get deported.
Oh, I'm really sorry for you, Auntie, but when I come out, man, your place there for you. Don't worry about that. Your place there, plus remember you send how much money for lodge in a bank or something. Everything there for you, man.
But I'm feeling so sad because I didn't expect that from my best friend.
I mean, no, man, but you can't too trust people in another world, like, you trust people stabbing in your back.
I help her a lot. She's like my blood sister and I help her and she's my best friend. I can't believe she's hoping and praying and now her wish came true. So maybe when she saw me in Jamaica, she'll be happy.
Maybe. And when I come to Jamaica, you know, look pan her, you know. Just walk past her like one piece of wood in the road. Because it need to tip over.
That's okay, I'll be fine. I can fly to another country. I'm gonna be okay.
Okay, alright, Auntie, just take care of yourself.
Alright.
See you in 2 days that time.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, alright, cool. Bye.
Bye. Auntie, come out. I can't make him come out so. I have to figure out a way how to get rid of him. Touch on the road there. Yo, Rasta. Why pray? What go on? I Shen, man. Well, you know, say the lady get deported. Yeah, one lady get deported, man. I'm want you pick her up for me. When I say pick up, when I say pick up, you know what I mean. I go pay in a 2 payment, man. Don't worry about the money. Just make sure, say, me no see her back. Me no want to see her in my yard. Yeah, man. How much that? Yo, Ras, as me say, the money ain't no problem. Just dirt her. Me just no want to see her. She for the airport, me no want she left the airport. When she left the airport, then if you can't find her. Alright, I'm going to send you a picture and the details of how she look. Alright, a tomorrow thing doing a tomorrow she a flying. Alright, we link. 9 morning you come check me for your down payment. Then when you done the job, I give you the rest of the money. Yeah, alright.
I'm gonna do what the wicked men do. I'm gonna change too. I'm gonna change too. You don't know me. You don't know my story though. I come from the gully, from the gully, from the gully, from the gully, and I come from the hills. I come from the gully, from the gully, from the gully, and I come from the hills. Remind me of myself, success and my destiny. They wanna put me on the shelf. You don't know me, no know me, no know me, no know me, no know me. I want king, I want king, I want king, I want king, I want thing. Let me get my mind right. Let me get my mind right. Give me some time to process all the things I go around me in my life. Make me go and drink a red stripe. Make me go and burn a big spliff. Let me go on easy, 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 cause I want king, I want king, I want king, I want king, I want thing. I want king, I want king, I want king, I want king, I want thing. Just let me live my life, oh.
How about exactly you say? The house there, where they build for you?
Well, the way how the place look and the picture that them sent to me, I think it's around here.
I come on, I say no, and I see no. What's a billion here? A bamboo, them a farm around so you know. See there? A bamboo, they say them a farm.
Yes, this is the same place that I saw on the picture.
Yeah man, a bamboo, them a farm man. Then cut it down one day.
So where is
And
the
a be a
house?
bamboo, them a farm. Oh, so there.
Same land and
A be a bamboo, them a farm. Who like a be a bamboo? Then they done with cane. We go use bamboo ton sugar. Bamboo sugar. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah man, so there's no, so it means a double thing then do then. That means then take you all of the money and then pay, and she get rid of in own uncle and I take your money and then she don't know who me be. You understand? But look at somebody give her the link and then me see the picture and say you then want me kill. So I say you must be mad. So, me kill my friend. Me Deportee if kill you. I joke businessman. So it's a good thing now and me then give the contract, you know. You understand? See then at my house then I bill for you. And I like to them bill your house and they want to kill your feed. Then take the money from day one then.
So all my time I've been in the US working so hard in the coal, sending my money to Jamaica, to my niece to sort out a roof over my head when I come back to Jamaica. This is what she done to me.
And you should know a deportee get deported and I like say you get to come so you can go back to work.
Yeah, because my plan was coming back because one time I did bought a ticket to come back to Jamaica, but after I heard about the deportation stuff and thing, I cancelled the ticket because I didn't want to come down and then I can't go back, but I still get it.
Well, you're there now. So you will go on now. A 3 payment, them a give me the money now, right? So as soon as you give me the 3 payment, them we go okay exactly at the yard and you do what you do with her. You understand? And for your niece. Right? Whether they are going, somebody are tell you the levels, you know. So you have to be careful how you give the money for this and that. Well, see, then no matter, you can't really trust anyone.
But she's my family.
So
I didn't expect this from her.
So anyway, that's how you go. I know what you expect. Expect the unexpected. I just say they're not hurt, you know. The same people you look out for them go joke out your eye. I've seen it many times, man.
And I help her so much.
Yeah, man. But, like Bob Marley say, no woman, no cry.
Yes, she disappointed me. I'm feeling so sad. And this is not a nice look because I only see land, no house.
But, you see, I'm a youth like this, you know. We do some research, right? And the research, when we come up with your niece, the place where she there, I fear it. Like them, they sell the apartment them, so she buy an apartment. So if I fear money buy the apartment, take the apartment. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So the apartment look good because I go to already when she want me give me the work. Me go to there and look funny. I'm a peep in her house. So if well furnished.
So what are you saying? That she used my money to build something else and then
no, she buy the.
Oh, she buy a house.
Buy an apartment.
And then
it's on a big house,
okay.
but a section half.
Okay.
So like look like a 2-bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, but in there have everything. Me look in there, me see fridge, me see everything in there. Oh. TV. So that be like a hotel. So if you take back that, you're alright. Okay. You take back some of your money. But no, just take it back, so you know.
But this doesn't look good though.
It don't look good, but me think so that one have to go to prison. Yeah, so I'm going for morning.
You know, so I'm there and I kind of feel hungry. I'm glad to come still.
Yeah, man.
You buy something for me out the road.
Yeah, you know, so I pass on the place where you eat your wrap. There and then just I turn on the thing that time. We know some like you want to you. But we tell you some circle back. I know some will pick up on to you. But here one now. Then give back the car, so more collect it back. And collect. We just have 2 more payments. And then we go carry by the apartment. We pass she buy out your money. No, you shouldn't buy nothing for you. You understand? A wicked piece of girl though. You could have buy one little piece of land and build up in one boardhouse for put for you. You understand? At least you have something to come back and all. But you want for your brother and like me said, you saw him get rid of your brother same way. With an uncle. Can't trust nobody these days.
True.
Because they make you look at a rum poisoning and a rum. You understand?
So she really do that to her own uncle sake of money.
I tell you.
And the money are neither fit. My brother nor fear. A matter of fact, you know me stay already. Me always send money come give them different from money when me give them to buy land and build house, you know.
You listen music, yeah? And Cartel have a song we say like the China would have murder in one of grandmother for $1,000,000 yen. Black people you can't trust them.
Sure.
Chinese same thing again. You understand? So it goes to show that you can't trust nobody these days. You understand? Friend kill friend, sister kill sister, brother. Yo, it's rough. Jamaica, the problem, they lose their identity. You know what I mean? So, we as a people, we last until we find a way. You know what I mean? It go be the same thing every day. But for now, we just go and survive it. You know what I mean? You know what we are doing.
Sure.
So me and survive here, see I survive it too. Remember when they go away, I tell you say, I go start the business. And it a work. May I tell you? It a work. I see I buy 2 more acre land and extend the farm. I have 2 small down there work for me. You understand what I mean?
And it's from my niece though.
And I said things, people want to kill them one another. And I just have fit in the gap and I make people live. I send people going to Cayman, I send people going to Guyana, I send people going to Barbados, I send people going to Trinidad. And I tell them, say, listen to me, figure out what's going on already. This is that new slate. But in your case, it's a different case. You know what I'm saying? My thing say, you have to do the right thing. We not say you're not a killer, but she must face some consequence. She can't get it so easy. You understand? No man, it's really bad. Some of she called me this morning, some of you collect a piece of the money more from her. And then she said by next week now, I'm going to get the last piece of money. For the last day now, don't tell me I can't go down at the place. Right? And then you confront her. You understand? And then you not facilitate out. You know, fight her, but make sure you do so on time. Right?
Alright.
I'm sorry, sir. I say I just this a consequence here come on about the deportation. But if that woman can get deported?
She go with a woman long time. Me know a woman.
Because
me know a woman. Me did go on somebody live and they really commend them. You see commend them? Me did read them and me say a word. One of my best friend, man. Everything good.
Because them alone don't know why you're there. They said the eyes come.
Yeah.
Because based on your experience to me, it's a setup.
I just like still. I don't worry about that. Because more country there when we can go out. I just so easy and cool out for a while and then save up back some money and live the place.
No worry yourself. I say, if you have to go into the market, go sell to the pop try them with a plant, you make up money because everything in Jamaica sky high now. Me have some yam come in and now a $5,000 pound feed. You have to sell like a jugs. So no worry yourself. When you am right and ready, you make a money out of it. You not have to give me no money, you go sell it, make your money and go do what you do. Because when you over some, you said money come give me. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, so I'll give you money out of way. That girl will pay me same way. Because it look like he mash up most of the money though. You understand?
I'm not come back once in nothing.
Oh boy. Aside though, what happened to woman happened to women. You understand? You're not the first, you won't be the last. Yeah, anyway, this is most ready by now. So I'll pick up it and make it get you. What can I drink someone? We know so I must invite a water.
No man, no, spirulina.
Spirulina.
Yeah man.
The spirulina. Half a man back that you know. And if a man they say
Woman can drink it too man, a good thing, a good juice.
A good juice.
Then blend up and sing.
We hear the spirulina come here because it's a sing about it. But we never try it yet. Anyway, we'll get it to spirulina the rap.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah man. Right now you know. See your niece don't know say you're not dead yet you know. Cause there's much money in Guinea already at the last payment. So after this last payment you know, you can't do a thing when you say go do with her. You know what I mean? And I guess the place where she have that buy, she buy with your money. So long as she buy with your money at your place, and the place look good, you have everything in it. You understand?
Yeah.
So enough loses, but winning it. You understand? You can win so. And me win too.
Bob cut.
This is for the first time you go over, but don't tell you, you know. Maybe I say too much time though. So I know one deportee. Yeah, deportee too. I know it go.
I can't believe some niece really do this to me.
Well, you see, and you see another not the fact that they take your money, you know. And the fact say the rumors was say she kill her brother. Right? Because you are send money come and she don't want the money split away there. So when the money come now she alone I get it. You know if she a man of mine or whatever, but you know fear brother when take money by old car in mind some girl and so outside so. We never really know I just since the whole cause I pay them a pay me, you know. I first me know who tell them something to do job there, but finance say something about that. Me say me take a job man, but me know say me ain't go do no killing. Me go take a job and take your money and run off with it. You know for me style already.
But me don't know why people stay so after me work so hard. And you know what hurt me so much is my niece, number one. Number two, when me send money come give her, if you get the house to me send her fear money different. And she still take the money when me give she and plus the money where I mine to do my business.
Well,
and then want analyze me at the end of the day. So that make it worse. I know we can reach.
Reach I know man, but what me no want. Me no want make so bam. I will collect the money and no one in see you.
Oh, you want collect?
Some would want you come out of the car, yeah, so and hide like even be another wall there.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And you call for your police bridging one and do and do.
Alright.
So when me come out of the house and get the money and drive go so now. So then can't say me inform, you know. All thing then go say oh me say you dead. Me say me if you don't know life still. There's a small world, because me know say you now kill her. So since you now kill her, it's a possibility one day me and I go meet again.
Okay.
Me need if you have a story to tell her. Alright?
But you need to get punishment.
Yeah man, she have to face the consequence man.
I'm gonna call my police friend, don't worry, me stay behind the wall when
Yeah man, and then do your do.
Alright, cool, thanks.
But, yeah man, you know I go man.
Yeah.
You do the same thing for me.
Yeah, and me know you a long time, you know.
Know yourself. So I shouldn't do it now. Aishan! Aishan! Aishan!
Hi!
What go on?
I forward.
Alright. Everything done. It take a while because every time you call me, but remember saying, you know, the job wasn't an easy job, right? And it take a little time to deal with it.
So you wipe her out?
Yeah, no more. You know what I mean?
Aye.
So that's the last payment when we can carry the people them car by tomorrow. So must drive it today and you know? All right today.
I like today.
Alright.
Just put a little thing on the extra.
Yeah. I don't check you all over, I don't trust people. Alright? So nice doing business with you.
Yeah man.
Thing I go round me in my life. Make me go and drink a red stripe. Make me go and burn a big spliff. Let me go on easy, 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 cause I want king, I want king, I want king, I want king, I want king. I want king, I want king, I want king, I want king, I want thing.
Aishan! Cuz! Yo! Oi!
What?
Wagwan.
What?
Me do ya know.
So we are safe for going to video.
No, you good.
Not really.
I make.
Cause me there with one boy. I'm not even going from daddy not there anymore. Oh nah God.
All you have to do is just tickle yourself and now. Nothing about no boy. If anything, if you go do a look at work. That's all you need to do.
Hey, that don't miss a chin. They want me push 10 crate. Good on the road. Look at me, look here. I'm weak. Me can't push nothing. So if they in Japan mash, can't pay for them, you know. I don't know who go pay for them.
But you don't have to push crate. You can do cashier. You can pack shelf. All the thing done if you do, you don't have to look job now, Mr. Chin. You can find someone else. All the place out they want people for work, you know. All the things out there if you do. So sit down by Mr. Chin. Mr. Chin, I know Mr. Chin alone in Jamaica.
And I like some in China, me that work don't want Indian man I do cashier. So one cute boy come in and me give him overchange so they fire me. Oh God. Doesn't work just hard.
So you see cute man come in and give man all the change. Where cute man I go? No work you go there for work. Eh?
Enough of that man, cause enough of that. The money where you and daddy usually collect and so I go on. So you take for your money buy one good apartment, look good, and daddy take for your money buy one piece of old car not even drive good. Me a try sell you and nobody no want if you buy. Cause your house nice. You just take for your money girl out and something. You take for your good money buy one nice apartment. We just did so daddy do for your money.
The last time when me did hear me here say your papa take free money buy car. That me here.
You don't want to see car. You don't want to see car. Car not even can go over Betrayal Hill. Like a donkey road down there, son. You park over my yard. I say car one look like. So cause when me want no auntie not send out no money.
No sir. A long time I get fond of the woman there. Long time.
Yeah. Oh, and you said Donald Trump a deportee people them who no straight. And you know say auntie no straight around. You run have to go over there.
No man, auntie now come back so auntie now get on the pool man. Auntie straight man. Auntie I tell you auntie over the fine now. You have to look about yourself over there. Auntie good man. You now come back over here so.
So you have auntie number you can give me call her.
Me just set you say a long time in here for her. Me dey one number for her where she used to use, where she used to send the money. But me a call her father day and me not get it. So it seems like she not use a number day again or something. Me not get her father day man.
So me go get to her and ask her if she good or something.
Me don't know you know. Cause mother want get to her me can't get to her. So me don't know.
And get to auntie want get to you. Auntie said no money. Not even build one boathouse or buy a piece of land.
Listen to me.
Hello? Yes, officer, I know a long time you don't hear my voice, but I fly down in the place, you know? Yes. And I have one serious matter when I want you to deal with for me. Me there at one place in Petersfield. Yes. Yeah man. Just come down on the street and as soon as you come down you reach at the third corner on the right, just turn this and you go stand up out the road. And you will see me here. Alright. Yeah man, that's something very important. Eh? What you mean? Me always do something I feel like I do me know. I mean know say you're a serious police officer, you don't play. Yeah, you work you do. You don't do foolishness and you don't take money for foolishness, you do your work. Yeah. And if I forget a lawyer to want to pay money, I go do it because I whole heap of money me lose right now. Me say God save my life. Make me own a niece no analyze me send down how much money come give her to start out one house to me and she mess it up. Yeah.
Someone you can deal with this to me. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, man. When I come, we talk to you about the rest of the story. Alright. Yeah, thanks. Oh, you already there on the road, so you soon come. Okay, cool. Thank you, yeah? Alright. Son of a man.
Me and your father come up with the idea, you know. And your father first get a piece of money and carry half it, come give me and say, can we do this and can we do that? So me just roll with it. I don't worry about auntie. Auntie is not coming back to Jamaica. Auntie straight, auntie good chum. Can't deport auntie. No worry yourself about it, man.
Have piece of money we can't give me, man.
No, say no, me not no money. I just me still on a start try. Say me can't figure out way out.
Me not turn long, you know, because me have things over here to do, so. Later.
Alright.
Hello.
Auntie!
How are you?
Girl,
Nice meeting you, sweetheart.
nice to meet you too.
Yeah. How are you,
You
sweetheart?
good?
It's been a while.
Yeah.
You're getting so big.
Uncle.
Oh my gosh, look at you. You know, I bought a lot of stuff for you.
I'm just
looking
talk to me
fine.
because about you just a while ago.
Really?
Yeah.
Sweetheart. Can I go inside?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Inside?
Yeah, come in.
Let me take my shoes off. Okay.
Aishan! 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 Aishan, wake up! Auntie Aishan.
She's sleeping?
I don't know. Aishan! 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 Auntie Aishan! Aishan!
She drunk?
Me just there talk to her. Aishan!
So why she just lie down on the actually she see me make she drop down? I want me.
Aishan!
Me need she to wake up if she asleep so me can talk to her because me know everything what she do. Me know everything what she do. So if I choose she see me, make she faint, she better wake up out of the faint when she faint. Look here. Look here. Go up on her face. And wake her up.
Aishan! Aishan! Get up! Get up!
You know, somebody a dream though. Auntie say auntie come. Auntie can't come now.
See auntie here, what you mean?
Why she can't look around here so? She know what she do, she guilty. Aisha, you need to get up. Cause someone talk to you seriously and badly. And auntie, go back there so. Me hurt. You hurt me heart.
I want
Me no speak is just stay one side. This is between me and she. You will hear after. Or listen now if you want. Listen to me. Look here, Aisha, let me tell you something. Everything. No, just listen. You're guilty. You're guilty.
Where you talk,
You're
bro?
guilty. Look, like I say, you spot me from out the road. They come make you up on the ground and sleep all of a sudden. And she just say, you and her did in your talk. So how comes you asleep till you can't wake? Me not understand. What is your problem? I've been sending money to you over 10 years now. And you use all my money. And then set up somebody to unalive me. You're so wicked.
As she father do it.
You're my niece, but you're very wicked. And all my money that I sent to you, I think I'm gonna need them back. I have all my receipts. You're very cruel. Girl, you're wicked. You're wicked. Me can't believe say that you do to me. When you call me on phone how much time and I tell me you're hungry and have nothing to eat. Me send how much money come give you and MoneyGram and Western Union. And you do this to me? Like seriously? Huh? You want to take my life? How cruel you are.
I never me. Who tell us say me?
It wasn't you.
Me didn't even know say there Jamaica.
It wasn't you?
No.
You're very wicked.
Me didn't even
You're
know say
heartless.
Jamaica.
And you're very wicked and evil mind you have.
Are you evil?
are
Where they
very-
friend for 10 years? Where they in Jamaica do now? After you run out.
Wait. Me don't understand. What happened?
Ask her. She's the problem.
I
What
don't know.
happened?
Me don't know what she talk about cause me don't know what she talk about. Probably one different Aishan. I know this one here. I two Aishan and niece you have. Probably.
You know what?
Cause
I am going
what
to
your
leave.
daddy do with auntie money?
You don't know what your father do with auntie money. Buy car and girl you out. You don't know what your father do. You don't know. I make your auntie come here and blame me.
I want to know what I done to you.
What you do to me?
So you want to take my life.
Who do you
That's
want
what
to
I
alive?
want to ask you so much from a long time ago. Now I get the chance. I need to know what did I done to you so wrong
So who tell us
that you want to unalive me.
Who
I
tell us
can't believe.
How many people tell us foolish? Come sit down, man. Come.
So you want, no, I don't want to sit. I'm okay. So you really wanted me to come and smile with you, laugh and have a jolly time with you after you do so many evil stuff to me. What did I done to you so wrong? I do me attack. When me done to you? What me do to you? You're my niece, I love you. Me say no much
Love
things
who
don't give you.
Love who?
And you turn your mind against me?
You look a bit of money we ask in Jamaica, I hit to come back here for. Eh?
Yes.
I want to make it to Jamaica. You get deported. That's where you're Jamaica. Because you never plan to come back to Jamaica. You run off.
Oh my
so where
God.
they Jamaica, I don't know.
Oh my
Where they
God.
are now?
You're so ungrateful. You're disgusting. You disgust me. You deceive me as your aunt. But I'm going to leave you to your own mind, will and wish. It's fine. You know what? Can I get some juice, please, or a drink of water?
Okay.
Yes. I need to sit down.
No, I feel my place this.
What's going on in this place? I don't understand. What is it? Okay, don't bother to give me the water. I think I'm going to take my leave. I'm going outside. I'll talk to you in a bit, right? Okay.
You don't understand what happened.
No, not happen.
All right, don't worry. I'll be back. Officer, she inside the house.
She in there?
Yes, she in there. And if you see how she dey gone,
So you say what I'm do?
she this one everything. I can't make her come to come back her up because me need back all of my money. Can you imagine me the oversee her work so long and send me money come give her to build one house and the girl so wicked and heartless and cruel. Take picture of other people house and come give me some me have in my mind say me I come down here so if it go in my house when me come people say I feed them house and not for me. I know she had this one everything about which money. She even send man to come kill me.
You have evidence of that?
Yes. Me can make you talk to the person. The reason why I stand up here so I talk to you now, officer, because the person know me, so you know bother unalive me. That's why I'm there so today.
And he willing to testify in a court?
Yes, he will and he's going to testify.
Alright. No. Hello. Aishen. Who is Aishen?
That one.
That one here.
Come here.
The big one, the big fat one.
Two wanna come here. Two wanna come here.
She's my niece and that one is my. Come.
The two wanna come here. This is Constable Rockfire.
Come.
Hello. Excuse me. What's your name? Aisha.
She.
This one, the big fat one. The two of them are my niece, but that one here.
The two wanna come here. Watch your man on stop playing no one to no. Listen
Look
to
like
me.
she don't realize they are police.
Where the woman money there?
Which woman?
The lady.
Which lady?
No one lady this right 10%.
My auntie.
Where your auntie money there?
My auntie money.
Eh?
My uncle take it.
Your uncle take it?
Yeah.
Yeah, your uncle
Fear
take it.
father. Take it by car and
Officer,
carry out.
as she got talk about fear father, me forgot to tell her something. You know some my brother dead? And me hear one little talking a go on. Say no mind shop she involved in my brother death.
Wow.
Yes,
How
she.
come?
I don't know, ask yourself and why you do it.
You are going. Now,
Officer,
listen to me. Nobody give you the bad chattings. Nobody
Officer,
with that. You hear me?
no,
I say,
I don't
listen,
really
listen, nobody with that. Tell a person, me a chat to you. Tell a person. Me a chat to you. Nobody with that. Where you want money there?
Which money? You didn't give me money put on?
Alright, now
I'm
yourself,
left
cause
out of my place, yeah,
you
man.
know why you feel like such you're big in a man, me afraid of you know. Turn up a second now.
Handcuff officer.
You think you woman I want to I got
You know wicked, you know how hard the
You're
woman
too
they are fine,
wicked.
you know how hard she work for your money, eh? I take her money and go build house and buy car, eh?
Why we die? You're too wicked.
Come on,
Thief, she a criminal.
Oh, you watch a movie a while ago. Give thanks. You make it this far. You know what I mean? Let me say watch it to the end. Well appreciated. You know what I mean? We continue blazing the fire and doing the best we can. You know what I mean? Yeah. We do apologize if you see any little problem because we're only human. So some of the time when you do so much show, you don't get the time to overlook on some of them. But it's something when we are looking to, you know, assign somebody specific for interest. So then watch a movie and make highlight of where the problem is. You know what I mean? And nobody walk away from it, because then walk away from it, by the time they walk away, a mistake and did it. You know what I mean? You know how I feel so many times I watch I see the mistake them, you know, it's kind of bad. But when they're there, from the root of fighting for something, you're not going perfect, where there's lack of funding and all them, and resources and all these things. It take a lot to do movie here, you know what I mean? So, but anyway, we're the best we can do still. So, one day we go get there though, you know what I mean? So, movie to me is like reggae music in a prime, you know what I mean? And I remember the first time I started doing movie and I do Carelessness and I do One by One. Two big persons come to me and them say, yo, but them movie thing there, you know, because they're not going nowhere, you know. Movie not going nowhere. And one of the person was a person that work hard. One of them do publicists for music for artists. One of them do banking, investment and all them thing there, you know what I mean? So at the time, I have my eyes up, I open the sky because the two first movie I do and things. So when them say that, no, it kind of give me a vibe. And I said, no, Jack. Them man look at them and I know what I go on. But over the time, doing it now, I realize that nothing come easy. We're worth fighting for. You know what I mean? So saying this to say that it's gonna get somewhere. You know what I mean? And when them say it, they never say it in a bad way, but them just say it according to how Jamaica is and how there's not enough help to help the youth them to push them forward. So when they see me as a youth, I start it out, you know, them never feel, say, nobody will back it. But one and two people overseas to give some donation and a few people give some speech, you know what I mean? And some people hate their own and some people love their own. And most of the people who love their own, so many times they not can afford to give helping on financially, but what they do, they share it, and that's good enough. You know what I mean? So give thanks to those people from that time, and give thanks to those who believe from that time to this time, because I'm here telling you that we're gonna make it. You know what I mean? So if there's a history, we're gonna break it, and if there's a trophy, we're gonna take it. So we know say a time will come, but give it a good time. You know, I'm trying to set the things them in, and while they're setting the things them in, there's gonna be a lot of obstacles. You know what I mean? Because this is Jamaica, the land we love, and you know this is Jammiwood. You know what I mean? And a lot of things are going, and I know that Uno sit to can read between the lines, how Uno can say, how Uno can hear. You know what I mean? But anyway, I'm here. You know what I mean? So just like our Vice Cartel, 13 years behind bar and touchback road. You feel like we're at prison some of the time. You know what I mean? So we are waiting for the day there for everything to break through before we really can step into the movie business, the real movie world, where the people them who deserve things like a lot of talent here, they would deserve the shine. Because if there was no studio to Vibes Cartel sing, you wouldn't have a dancehall king. And if there was no track and field for Usain Bolt to run, you know what I mean? You wouldn't have a legend, a track and field king. You know what I mean? And enough things that there's enough things that as an example we can use to show say without the thing set there, you have to fight for it. You know what I mean? So anyway, me not hold up on the ears too much. Cause we know say the time will come where people go say the fire blaze too much. But the place go burn down. So we say burn it down to the ground. Let's go.